Have you heard the news? It's Gary's Food Reviews. Tasty chomps and juice. Puts it on YouTube. A certified palate, second to none. Come watch Gary, let's have some fun. An overall rating from 10 to 1. It's Gary's Food Reviews.
Hello and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. And I'm here at KFC. To try the chicken pot pie. Check it out. Ooh. So yeah, I went down to KFC and tried the chicken pot pie. Man, it was really good. The chicken was nice and tender, and the crust on the pot pie was nice and flaky and crispy. Like a nice, good, flaky pot pie. And it has the KFC mashed potatoes in it, and it has cut up carrots, it has some peas in it, and everything goes together really good. Love that KFC chicken with the potatoes and the crust of the pot pie and the veggies in it. Like, everything's good. Definitely an enjoyable pot pie. So yeah, a lot of places don't really have pot pies, but yeah, I found out KFC has pot pies and I had to try it. Love a good classic pot pie, and this one's a winner. So if you're looking for a good place to have a pot pie, go to KFC and try those. You have like the KFC chicken and the mashed potatoes and the peas and carrots all in one little pie. Can't go wrong. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. So with that said, overall, on the food taste scale overall, I'm going to have to give the pot pie from KFC a 9 out of 10. Definitely highly enjoyable, and I recommend you go try it for yourself. Anyways, this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I will catch you all later. Bye-bye. All gone.